Hello dear friends, how are you? Remember, our all Forex lessons are free, so you can learn from our lesson. Thanks, this is our OIL chart and this is our main daily chart. So, you understand our all previous analysis. Our team don't remove drawing, because you understand and learn how our team analysis. Look here. This was our support become resistance area, and this low breakdown. Look. This was our major demand zone and support area, with the two QM levels QM1. QM to market sweep this level. So now we have. This is really based off supply zone and higher. High low, low QM supply zone. In this video, this was our major supply area. Support become resistance, drop base, drop supply. So market one time retested and go down. But if we look at one chart, here, we have a resistance become support and really base, really demand zone. Now we look at 4 chart. Daily chart telling us oil is buy now. So we look at 4 chart. Because if market respect this area, but when market go down, so again respect. SNR and demand zone with resistance. So now possible oil will touch this area, 6. By 000. Now we look each 4 chart.
Hello my dear friends, how are you? From our team, account management service available now. Broker type any as you wish with fast execution. Leverage 500 plate farm mount 5. Profit sharing 50%. You can contact us via Telegram. Thanks.
This is our H4 chart, look here. Low breakdown closing down in H4 chart. Market made here resistance, really base, really demand zone in previous video. We telling you if market respect this supply area. And we need confirmation and break down this low. But market not break down this low. And demand zone not sweep. But respect this area really base really. So now we expect market will be not go down but buy. So look now, market easily can break out this supply. Because if we look left side, a higher high lower low QM supply area, and this is also support become resistance supply area. So our next target will be this area higher high, lower low QM look and down. Main target will be this supply area. SO market, how will we move? We apply here Fibonacci and set the targets. We apply here Fibonacci, how high to low look. Remember, we have here liquidity available. We again telling you. Market not reached here, but now we have 2 positions. Possible market can directly buy from here to here and can touch 66.3. 55, and we have second option marquee. We set here buy limit in this FVG plus demand zone. Possible market go down, and SL hunting of this supports areas. And when market reached here, then we take entry buy from here, and our TP will be this area first higher. High low low supply zone. So now we look OILUSD as buy. Now, our stop loss will be below this area. Because now not have we have any option about selling. But bye, thanks.
Hello friends, how are you? These are all the subscriptions from our VIP, Telegram Gold, FX signals, and there are different types of discounts from our team so you can take advantage of them and join any of our subscription. Thanks.